Mina bo sister stock feeling ama cheetah de koni mam ko pose boni na ring emafoni mople mina bo sister stock feeling ama cheetah de koni mam ko pose boni na ring account.
Hi, this is Khutazo Nlengetwa, aka KG from Imbogoto Mining Services. You are watching Ringakao on Rising Sun TV, channel 504, only on Star.
Sanbonani to everyone that is watching this lovely show called Ringakao. And this is your boy B Umfanaga Poison. Yes, on this show, nevertheless, we're talking film, nothing ever. We have our boy called Day Schwartz, the one and only boy that does his own cinematography. He's a filmmaker. He produces and directs his own stuff. So he edits and then he produces his own film. So stay tuned if you want to get more of what he does. You're watching Ringakao only on Rising Sun TV, channel 504, only on your star set to go there. Stay tuned. Welcome back, and this is your boy B Umfanaga Poisons. You watching Ringakao only on Rising Sun TV, channel 504 on Star Set. Ungasabi today bafethu umphethe uDay Schwartz, the one and only. Probably you've seen the name all over your screen. Ubona umsebenzi wakhe. Day Putam, unjani Putam?
B, I'm good, man. How are you?
Ngiyabonga Putam. You know, I'm so honored to kujazini. You came all the way just to come for interview yethu la eRingakao. Ngicela utshela abantu emakhaya nje ukuthi ubani uDay Schwartz, uqhamuka ngaphi, and then what do you do for a living?
I must thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, brother.
And hello to everyone out there. My name is Day Schwartz. I'm a director and I'm a cinematographer. Into le bajwayele ukuthi DOP, you cinematographer. So my background is mainly shooting music videos, shooting and directing. Oh, not forgetting to mention, I'm also an editor. So most of what I shoot, I edit myself.
Okay.
So my background is, I started as an editor. I started as an editor. Then that's where I had an interest to get behind the camera and start shooting stuff myself.
Okay.
So that's where the whole journey began. And then from there, I started, kind of like giving directions on shots that I felt would yazini need some sort of direction. Because there are different directors. Yeah, well, other directors direct talent. Other directors direct how the whole picture looks. So that's where my interest came about, directing with yazini, man. Actually, I can add a bit of more feel to this whole thing. So my background, short movies. I started shooting short films in my backyard. Then I started calling amachita sekasi that were doing music, and I had offered man, Jens, I see you into this music thing. How about I give you visuals? How about I shoot music videos for you? And then that's why the whole thing began. You shoot a music video. So yes, to put it short, that's me in a nutshell. Yeah.
Honestly speaking, I've seen your work all over TV, my brother. You're doing good. You playing with the big fishes, big sharks, and your work is great. So, tshela abantu emakhaya ukuthi uqale nini when it comes to your career, because ngiyakuzwa ukuthi you were an editor, then wangena ku DOP, then from now you are a director, ngithi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ngicela utshele nje umuntu omamele emakhaya ukuthi obhekelele futhi emakhaya ukuthi uqale nini, and then the passion that has grown from you ipusheke kanjani, yini into inspiring?
Oh, basically, yazi, Tina, South Africa, especially when it comes to showbiz, we are mostly motivated by izinto sizibonayo overseas.
Yeah, correct.
There's a particular song that you like, and then yadlala TV, and then you find out it's from your favorite artist that's overseas.
Yeah.
As far as I can remember, mina uthi ngithanda ukushoot ama music video. I saw ganingi ama music video about Lil Wayne. I fell in love with a music video yaga Lil Wayne featuring Rick Ross, but John.
John, I remember John. Yeah.
It was shot by one of my favorite directors, Colin Tilley. So that's where the love of music videos came about. Actually, with this art, you can turn it around and make it and give it your own interpretation.
Correct.
Because sometimes ingoma inokhuluma ngento ekanje, but it doesn't necessarily have to be shot in the way ayicula ngakhona. You can twist it around uyibeke ngenye indlela yakho, yabo.
Portray it differently.
Yes. So this whole thing started back in 2012. Mbona abanye abantu bayenza bashoot ama music video, seeing other videos out there, and bengifuna ukungena kuyo, but then I always had this thing with this arts yengala, so there's no way I can be a director, a full music video. Back then, the cutting sathola le interest yakho.
Indeed. Yeah, but yes, perfect. We're still with Uday Schwartz live on our studio. You're watching Ring Account. This is your boy B Umfanaga Poisons. Out Chigator, Siabu as he's Lord. See you just after the break. Welcome back from the break. We're still with Uday Schwartz Perfect, and you're watching Ring Account, the one and only show that you like. That's on Rising Sun TV, channel 504, only on Starset TV. Nevertheless, good day, my brother.
Ngijabulile
mfethu ngijabulile ukufika kwakho.
It's good to be here. Angifuna ukukhuluma manga siphuzela isikho
mfethu.
Ngehla kamnandi.
Mfethu.
Ngiyakuthola.
So speaking about work, I've seen you pushing a lot of stuff on TV.
Yes sir.
I've seen your name all over your big platforms. We can't talk name now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I've seen your work on bigger platforms.
Yes sir.
So now, tshela abantu emakhaya. Umuntu inspired and wants to do filming. Akana next. But he has the passion.
Yazi i-platform senkulu manje in terms of you can't say you don't have nothing at all. Because in fact iqala yini a simple phone in your pocket. Just take it out, start recording. Khona manje equality of my phone, it's on another level.
Indeed.
So take out your phone, anything that you can capture the image with, start with that. Because nakhona it's not about the camera. It's about what's in front of the camera.
Indeed.
What you do with abantu baphambi camera, how you tell your stories and stuff. That's what's more important.
Indeed.
Yeah.
So I heard you said profile like an DOP. So you were shooting a music video.
Yes. What I mean by that as a DOP is that I used to shoot a music video and have someone else directing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Until njengoba ngimtshelile before, until I started feeling ukuthi man I can add my own taste lento le ngiyishutayo. That's where I now started moving into a direction yokuba i-direct.
Okay. So explainela umuntu osekhaya mfethu obhekelele lapha ukuthi yini i-DOP. Khona abantu abangayazi the meaning of i-DOP. Uyazibuza ukuthi DOP. Bacabanga nje bamagama. Just explain to one that's watching lapha TV ukuthi what is DOP.
So to put it in short, i-DOP is umuntu o controller how the audience will look a overall picture. How a frame should look. Shukuthi usibeka kwi-audience. Uzenza i-audience yena self as cabanga ukuthi yesana i-audience mayibhekele lento izoyibona kanjani. Yabo. Nakhona it has to do more ngokuthi ufakeni kwi-frame. Yini engenile kwi-frame yini ephumile. Sometimes i-background is also important.
Indeed.
Kaningi ama-DOP abheka what's closer to the camera, but then izinto semuva nakhona siyazibona.
Indeed.
Umuntu usihlelele you thinking alo muntu kude they want anyeke bambone, but then we do see lo muntu. So everything that's in frame umsebenzi we-DOP ukuthi ayenze ukuthi lo msebenzi ubonakala umuhle mawusophuma e-TV.
So speaking about the term, tshela abantu ukuthi what does DOP mean?
DOP means director of photography. It's a saying vele puma way back in the 40s. Shukuthi udirector isithombe loso sithathayo uwe umuntu osidirectayo.
Indeed.
Ukhumbule i-director abantu aba-actayo.
Yeah.
I-DOP, i-director
The picture.
the picture.
Indeed.
What's in the frame.
Yes.
Kaningi i-DOP isebenzisana ne-director.
Director, yeah.
Mawuqeda ukuthatha leso sithombe leyo video uya ku-director uthi wozobona injani le frame bese i-director ya-confirma or ithi no, I don't like this, I don't like that, masiyiphinde futhi. Most importantly vele i-director huyo uphethe the whole project, so huyo uzosho ukuthi uyayithanda lento uceda ukuyishuta or akayithandi.
So speaking about your work that you're doing,
Yes, sir.
are you making money with it, Buton?
It's easy to say you're not making money or you are making money.
Yeah.
Because the more money that the project, the more the money epumile for Leo project, it means the more money you're going to spend Guleo project. Meaning people who are part of the project, Kuya Komeli Badale, your props, your location, isn't those name. I-project leyo mayifake imali encane, it means imali leyo encane is gonna go into the project, yabo. So you can't really say wenza imali or awuyenzi. At the end of the day, it's about how many projects you're doing, then izokusebenzela ngaleyo ndlela, yabo. Nyeka, you won't just rely on that one project bese uthi I want to make money. You must channel your mind ukuthi uhlala usebenza, uhlala ushoota, yabo. That's the only way you can make money in this industry, to be honest.
Mara, otherwise what you're doing, iyakuphilisa.
Yangiphilisa kakhulu, and then most importantly ingijabulisa ukuthi iphilisa nabanye abantu, because this means mangithola umsebenzi ngiyahamba ngiyofuna i-makeup artist, ngiyofuna umuntu wama-lights, ngiyofuna ama-models azomodela, so leyo mali it extends to the next person, yabo. So yes, you are right ukuthi iyangiphilisa and ngiphilisa nomunye umuntu futhi.
No, that's profound. Bafethu, you still watching Ringakao? I'm with Day Schwartz, the one and only. Probably you've seen the name all over your screens. Day Schwartz. Never forget this name, because Magase overseas him doing Marvel pictures. You will remember the name.
No sir, yazi kanjani. Ngisafuna ukusho guys. I-industry Hollywood, it belongs to them. Yes, we envy it, we see all these nice movies, but I think it must come to a time where we
Make our own stuff.
Embrace our stories, our images, our sceneries. We've got nice, beautiful places like South Africa, nice locations in Natal, Limpopo. Now imagine capturing itori zethu kulezo ndawo and making our own Marvel similar.
I'm with you, but
you understand?
I'm with you.
Nakhona we have our own superhero stories. Ekuthi sikhula bazicocela yazi mawulala or around the fire
Yes.
Baba usibanibani beka isebenzisa into ekanje beka, you understand?
Yeah.
So those type of stories sizithathe, get our writers ukuthi bazivuselele and then start shooting those stories.
No, true. Awutishike itoro mnganami.
Oh.
Guys, you're still watching Ringakao, and this is your boy B, Mfanaka Boysens. Stay tuned. See you just after the break. Ringakao. Welcome back from the break buffet to you still watching Ringakao, and this is your boy B, Mfanaka Boysens. I'm still with Mr. Day Schwartz, the one and only cinematography, but now he's a director. We were talking Ispanisake and the likes of the things that he do. So stay tuned, buffet. My brother Day.
Yes sir.
I'm humble, my brother, that you came again.
Ngibonga kakhulu B for your invitation. It's great to be here with the viewers. Like Star said, Fana, I feel honored.
Nice, bong. Yeah, in fact, we were talking about the struggles, the passion that you got from Opushabako, the cinematography. So you were a director. So, Jela Abante Makaya, someone that is inspired of Unokspan or Takana next. Where to start from there?
Wait, first of all, it's not ukuthi awunanene.